Yeah, sometimes farming is a game. But it's something that you need to do. Life is all about utilizing the land. When God created Adam and Eve, He then said to Adam, you must utilize the land till the earth. Farming is something very interesting. You know, sometimes you need to treat it like a baby. You need to be so close. You have to have passion for farming. If you do have passion for farming, then it will yield you good results. So you need to be closer to your place actually, so that this old man is Baba Sambo. Baba Sambo is one of my old friend. Not old like it's my old friend like of long time ago, but it's even old. Nangeminyaka yakhe nje sokhulile wasamba. Unenkani kodwa. Nyalo nje damuvu tasuka phafumule nje nyana. Unelaka, it's short tempered. Kodwa is a very lovely man. I love him. Kona manje angishawota. Kona manje mfundisi. Akafuni futhi ngithi umkhulu. I think Baba Sambo wants to be young. Baba Sambo wants to be young. By the way, how old are you, Baba Sambo? Oh. Baba Sambo was born when I was not even in my mother's womb. So ke lana kuboyane lapha kahle kahle. Uboyane kahle kahle. Sengibona ukuthi angiguqule. Entele ukuthi konke kusale kuya ngaphansi komhlabathi. Mnanzi ke kanjalo bazalwane bami. Ulima. Vele simahlalela uyathanda kulima. Emlungu. Emlungisi. Ngisemasimini lapha. Sengibhake isikhulumba. Bhake isikhulumba manje man. Ngikhanda ukuthi no kuyaphetaphetha. Into yokulima nje inaleyo ma-challenges la ngokuthi ufuna ukuthi uyithande. Yonke into akuze ikambele kahle ifuna ukuthi vele uyithande. Yabo? Noma ngabe libandla, uma ngabe you don't have time for your church, bakubeke nje bathi hamba uyolusa kuphi ube bede isikhathi sakho naleli bandla, ube nesikhathi nemhlabathi wakho noma nekhaya lakho, litaba lihle lekhaya lakho ube kuhle konke. Kodwa leli bandla lakho litaba ngumena nje. Yabo? Ngalokufana nabo. Uma ngabe udinika isikhathi sonke lesanele, utitshela ukuthi nje mina ngidawusebenza umsebenzi wami, nginake ukuthi ngilima kanjani, ngenta kanjani, utawubona imangaliso. So mina ke kulima vele nje into lengiyithandayo kakhulu, ngiyakuthanda kulima. Sethi nje ke at the same time umuntu phela ubitiwe, nginolubito. Yabo lento ukuthi nginolubito akusho lokho ukuthi ngiyavulapha. Bantu abaningi babethi bacabanga ukuthi hawu umfundisi, bathi hawu osesemncane kanjalo nje awufuni nje ukuthi awuthathe imali kuye, ufuna nje ukuthi uthathe imali kuye. Yabona ke usho kahle babesaba uthi the calling from God. uNkulunkulu akabiti kwenje ngoba somdala noma umncane. uNkulunkulu nje ubita abantu uthi abekho emsebenzini. Bita abantu uNkulunkulu ababitele emsebenzini wakhe. Asengithi kancane just a moment. Closing yami at the close. Yasetshethwa ke manje lapha kuBoyane. Boyane lo. Yeba besamba. Uqale ngabanele yo.
This one around about 7-8 minutes mabo.
Oh. Ngaze umuntu adojeke la. I must utilize the land. Kuna ngusebenzisa lo mhlabathi ngoba masiyana tosebenzisa mina khona manje udova ukuthi sekuyangqwatshwa wona ke awunofuna le konke lensimi lengaka. 1.5
meters by meter.
Hayi baba angizange sengikushaye baba sami. Hayi kahle. Ngisho ukuthi ngishaya lo mtshala. Hayi uyaphosisa baba esamba. Kodwa phela uqinisile yathi abantwana sebalahlekelwa inhlonipho. Kanti abantwana balwa nabantu abadala babanga tinto labangakathi sebentele nethi sebentele. Umuntu awathi sothi lethi inkomo lethi khulumba wakwasithenga nini nje. Utazi abange naloma kwakhe. Besamba ongathi sisesibili avelela ngokusambana akuyasho kanjani ama project abe mfumo
Ngabe ngisho
kuphosebolo
la lama sele phansi.